Hey, welcome back to the file folder album. This is part 3, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I got mine all inked up. Okay, inked around the 1/4 inch. Okay, now you're going to attach one on the back, one on the front, and you got to figure out which one is. You're going to attach your 3/4 inch down. So you want your double hinge, then your single hinge, okay? Just like that. See, your 3/4 inch is going to be down in, or attaching to your album. And I give it a good burnish, okay? So that one's going to go on the back. Now, your 3/4 inch is going to attach at the bottom. Just your 3/4 inch. That's it. So I have everything else folded. So here's my 3/4 double hinge, my 1/4 inch gusset, and my single hinge. Okay, you're going to fold it, give it a good burnish. All right. So it should be like this. Okay. Now what you're going to do, you're going to line this up. You want to stay, oops, I forgot to ink that. Just a second, let me ink. Time you get done, if you're inking this, you're going to be tired of inking. Trust me. Trust me. I need to do this one too. Yep, you will get tired of inking. But to me, it's well worth it. Okay. So here's your 3/4 inch we're attaching. Then you have your double hinge, your 1/4 inch gusset, and your single hinge. You're folding all that over. The only thing you should be attaching to your album is that 3/4 inch hinge. Okay. Now I'm going to attach this. I'm going to stay about 1/8 of an inch away from the fold. Okay. This is our gusset. Here's our pocket. Here's our 1/2 inch gusset. It is very important that you stay on this side of it. Don't attach it to your gusset part. That'll be a big no-no. You'll have to redo it. I'm going to stay about 1/8 of an inch, maybe just a hair more. Okay. Just like that. And how I do this, I'll get one started. The second one, I gotta turn this so I can see. And my head, I know, is probably gonna get in the way. I'm gonna place it where I want it. Okay, I'm gonna hold it, and then I'm just gonna slide my fingers, pull it, slide my fingers. Make sure you're staying where you need to be. Hold it. Not too tight, because then you can't pull your tape out. There we go. There we go. Now the back one. Doing the same thing. Just your... Oh, I need to take off my other piece of tape. Need to take off my other piece of tape. That's just how I attach mine, okay? Okay, 3/4 inch down. Just the 3/4 inch, nothing else. You've got your 1/4 inch and your 1/2 inch up here on top. I'm going to line it up, make sure it fits. If it doesn't, trim it off a little bit if you need to. Okay, again, I'm just going to take off a little bit of my tape. I'm staying about 1/8 of an inch away from the fold of the album. Okay. I'm going to pull my tape, move my hands down, pull my tape, move my hands down. Trying to keep this where it needs to be. All right, there we go. Take off my other piece of tape. I'm going to give her a good burnish again. It will be a little stiff, so give her a good burnish. Okay. Do the same thing to the front one. Give her a good burnish. All right. I'm just making sure mine ain't sticking over. I think it is just a, well, I think it'll be okay. Okay, that's our attaching our hinges to our album. All right. So now, what you're going to do to the back hinge, we're going to need a top tab folder. Okay, top tab folder. Top tab folder. We're cutting the whole folder at 8 inches, and that's from the tab. You always cut from the tab. Always, always. In my within this tutorial, you cut from your tab. Okay. So we're cutting the whole folder at 8 inches. Well, yeah, I'll give you guys some homework. I'm going to give you guys some homework. You feel like you're in school again? Oh, first, I need to cut my file folder down to 11. Yep, I'm going to give you guys some homework. Okay, now I can cut it. I'm going to cut this whole folder at 8 inches. Okay, the whole folder. Okay. Keep that folder like that. Go ahead, round your corners if you want to round the corners. Okay, just like that. Now, I'm going to mark this back. Let's see, we'll just mark it piece. Piece C. Okay, piece C. Okay, now, let's see, should we cut? Okay, bottom tab. Well, I'm going to give you guys your homework here, because I really can't go any further until we get some of these hinges made. So that's going to be your homework. You're going to cut these at 11. So you need 1, 2. I think that one's going to be a little short. but that's okay. I think we're going to need 6 of these, I believe. Might just need 5 because we already actually used some hinges. All right. So your homework is you're going to put them in your scoreboard, score it 1/2 inch, and put tape on both. I thought I had 5. Huh. Well. I thought I cut 5. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I didn't. So go ahead and cut 5 of these. You're going to put them in your scoreboard, score it 1/2 inch, and burnish them and put tape on the both sides. Okay, just like we done. Yeah. We'll do one. So you're going to put in your scoreboard, score it 1/2 inch. And then you're going to fold towards the bumpy side. Okay, and you're going to apply your tape closer to the folded side on both sides of this. And then you're going to give this a good burnish, and then you're going to ink them. You just need to ink if you're inking, okay? Not everyone inks, so if you ink, you're going to burnish, and then you're going to grab, because we should have done this when we hooked those other hinges, and I totally forgot about inking. So you're going to ink, because you don't want the plain file folder showing when you ink the edges. Okay? So you're going to do this to 5 of those, okay? Well, I think we got a few more minutes. We could go ahead and cut our other top tab folder. So grab you another top tab folder, okay? There's mine. We're going to go ahead and cut it, and I'm going to give you guys some more homework. You guys are going to feel like you're in high school again. Just make sure you cut your folders down to 11 inches, okay? If you don't, I guess you don't have to. I just cut mine and make them straight, because not all file folders are straight. So now I'm going to cut this one down to 8 inches from the tab. From the tab. Don't do from this. Do it from the tab side at 8 inches. All right. And I'm going to mark this on the front. Sorry, I should have done front. Front. C. Then I'll mark this one back. And mark this one back. I don't think it's make a difference, I don't think. Okay, now your other homework is, if you're inking, if you're not inking, you don't have to worry about it. You're going to round your corners. I round my corners in all this. Totally up to you. I think rounded corners will take a beating better than a straight corner. That's why I round mine. What you're going to do, because you got to do this before we attach them, you're going to ink. So, and these are going to attach. Okay, so you need to ink the outside. You don't have to worry about the inside of C. you know, the inside of this piece, because we're going to put hinges on both sides. So you're going to ink around all the edges. Okay? Okay, that is your homework. So do your 5 hinges, and if you're inking, get both these all inked, and we'll come back in the next video and put them together and get them attached. Okay, guys, see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Keep scrapping.